Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save your TikTok video as a draft in the gallery without posting. First of all, let's launch the TikTok app. First of all, let's select what we want to post. We want to click on this one. Let's click on, for example, this white. You want to click next. And right over here, right before you actually post or start typing or creating anything else, you can actually do it, right? If you're sure that in the future you're gonna publish, you can actually input everything, your location, right? The hashtags and all the info, blah, 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 right? You can do all that at once. You can tag people, but then at the last step, you don't wanna hit post, but instead you wanna hit drafts.
Achieve your goals. If
When
it
you
was
click that, you automatically will have this saved as a draft, and your draft will appear over here, right? When you actually log in into your gallery, this will not be visible until you actually post or publish it. How you can actually proceed with publish it later on, all you gotta do is to go back. You have this special function over here that will show you where the drafts are located, and all you gotta do is to click once on the actual draft, then proceed with next, and then if everything is preset, you select the cover, right? You select the text and the captions and all the hashtags and all the editings, right? You just post like regular post. You just hit the post and you're there. This is exactly how you save your TikToks while you're editing in your gallery without publishing them, but they will be ready for publishing later on. Subscribe and come back for more.